So, got a very nice Tasmin Blue Defender 110 D250, which we've upgraded to a D300. We've done some other upgrades on activations. I'll go through that when I go inside the vehicle. We've also fitted the latest generation BlackVue dash camera front and rear recording. I'll just quickly show you that. And we've also retrofitted to OEM specification the ClearSight upgrade. So let me just quickly show you first. So we've got brand new ClearSight antenna which we've fitted there. We've also got the BlackVue rear camera, which is nicely fitted here on the back. No visible wires at all, which is in there. And we go around into here, and we've got the BlackVue camera nicely fitted just there. So all the wires hidden right up into the binnacle area, and it's a nice central position. And then we've also got the ClearSight, which is here. So obviously this is just the same spec as it would be as if it came as a factory option, so we can retrofit that. We've also configured on this customer, so it's configurable stop start, so every time you get in it remembers that stop start's off. We've also installed dynamic mode, which then will basically change on here. And if we go into this and go into dynamic, then you've got an option here for faster gear shift, steering is lighter, and engine is a bit more sort of frisky on the responsiveness. So we've got that option. And then if we also go back to here, especially now we're in winter, we've got all-terrain response 2, which gives you a lot more options on here for the various terrain. But if you put it into auto, then that dynamically changes here. So if you get up in the morning and it's like 3 foot of snow, you can just put it in that particular mode, and away you go, and then it looks after all the traction and everything else on there. So yes, if you've got Defender and you're missing ClearSight, or you'd like some other activations done here, then we can do this here at Defender retrofit, as well as obviously the latest generation BlackVue dash cameras.